What's going on, guys? I got a special package in today from Texas. I know what it is, so let's open it up. Opening it backwards to cover the
Yeah, I'm walking in like I own the bitch. I'm on a roll, I ain't losing it. Fuck at the beat like I'm bruising it. All my designers for moving it. Her pussy so bomb, I'm refusing it. Throw down a K on some Louis Tins. I'm moving it. Throw down a K on some Louis Tins.
promotion they were doing. Jordan box.
Plastic bag over it anyways. So, custom from Dank. Giveaway with Corona, so I didn't pay anything for this. I didn't pay shipping, I didn't pay for the base, I didn't pay nothing.
So, congratulations, one of 12. Lines and sneakers, customized by Dank & Co. Wear them proud. Awesome. Oh, also collaboration with the University of Texas Longhorns. That's the theme of this, is kind of Corona beach vibes with Texas. So let's check these out. These are pretty insane. First time I open the package, first time I look at them. See, custom tongue tags, embroidered. The back is like lambskin or something, like lambskin leather, butter soft. That's how the Dank. That's how you know he really painted them. A little bit of blue there. You gotta love it though. It's custom, and they're gonna be perfect. So got like University of Orange, Texas midsole. This is supposed to represent some like sand. Pretty cool. Back is painted in orange. Again with the sand. That's pretty cool. It's almost like texturized, but it's like paint. Pretty crazy. Bottom's an icy sole, so I think they used the cement threes, or I'll just see what base what base they used. I'm gonna say they might have used the pure threes. So upper is like a ombre fade. Supposed to be like a beach vibe to that. Yeah, these are super nice. What are your thoughts on these? If they released through Dank, or if Corona like sold some, would you buy them? Awesome embroidery on the tongue. I wonder who did that for me, or if Corona sent it over. But it's super nice. These are size 10. I was told that they couldn't guarantee my size, but I got my size, so it's all good. Oh, the box like this there, so it's oh yeah, it's a triple white. Pure's with the base. Figured with the ice bottom. That's what it was. Very nice. So these ended up taking about like 3 months to get after I told I won on Instagram. And yeah, here they are. Pretty crazy to see in person. I have been talking with some Instagram winners on DM because they kind of made it public of who won in comments and stuff. And 2 people told me that they're not gonna get them after being told they won. I believe it's because they got in contact with the company late because it was like a third party handling the raffle. You know how that goes. So as soon as I told I was won, gave them all the info they wanted. This was actually only open to Texas residents, but luckily I have a friend that lives in Texas, so they went there, and I got them here in California. So probably the only person in California with these. So yeah, thanks for watching.